A very good morning, students. Today I am going to start area. Now, first of all, I would like to explain the meaning of area. An area is the amount of surface included within the boundary of a closed figure. Closed figure कैसी भी हो सकती है. Let us take an example. Suppose this is given to us. Do you know which figure is this? Yes, I know all of you know the answer of this. This is a rectangle. So the area is enclosed by the space. ये एक जो figure है हमारे पास. So this space, and this is a closed figure. You can see there are 4 line segments and this is a closed figure. इसका opening और ending point कोई एक ही है. So this figure is known as the closed figure. So the space covered by this figure is known as the area. So in your syllabus, first of all, we will do area of a rectangle. This is from your syllabus. The formula for finding out the area of a rectangle is L multiplied by B, where L stands for length and B stands for breadth. So length is multiplied by breadth gives us the area of a rectangle. Let us take an example. Suppose find the area of a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. ठीक है? Length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, and we have to find out the area of the rectangle. So let us use the formula जो मैंने अभी आपको explain किया, L multiplied by B. So area of the rectangle is L multiplied by B. Your L is 7 centimeter and B is 5 centimeter. When you multiply them, you will get 7 5s are 35. And centimeter multiplied by centimeter, you will get centimeter 2. In other words, you can write it as 35 square centimeter. You must write this unit because this is a unit of finding out the area. ये area की unit है and we must write it. Now let us take one more example. Here the next question is find the area of the rectangle in square meters. You have to find out the area of the rectangle in square meters whose length is 4 meter 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 decimeter 6 centimeter. ठीक है, मेजरमेंट आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर, डेकामीटर. तो ये सारी यूनिट्स आपने पहले क्लास 5 में सब पढ़ा हुआ है. आपको इनको यूनिट्स को चेंज करना भी, कन्वर्ट करना भी सिखाया हुआ. सो लेट अस कन्वर्ट these units into meters because we want our answer is in square meters. हमें अपना आंसर स्क्वायर मीटर में चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ हमें गिवन है, जैसे कि लेंथ इज 4 decimeter 5 centimeter, it can be written as 45 centimeter and further it can be converted into meters, then it will become 0.45 meter. Right? Centimeters को meters में convert करने के लिए you will divide by 100. Similarly, here is 3 decimeter and 6 centimeter. It can be written as 36 centimeter and 0.36 meter. Now put the formula of area L multiplied by B, which is equal to 0.45 meter multiplied by 0.36 meter, and the answer is, when you multiply these two number, जो भी answer आएगा, write it as square meters. Meter multiplied by meters becomes square meters, and square is the unit of area. जब भी आप एरिया निकालेंगे, ये जो वर्ड आप स्क्वायर यूज करते हो, ये शो करता है कि हमने यहाँ पर एरिया फाइंड आउट किया. दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ एरिया. So when you multiply these two, you will get 0.162. Check it out. Now, next I'm going to start question number 3. And in this question, the sides of a rectangular plot of land are 30 meter and 20 meter. And our question is, what should be the cost of, what should be the cost of, what should be the cost of leveling the plot, leveling the plot at the rate of ₹2 per square meter. Right? This is your question. Now from this question, you can see that it is a rectangular plot. So we have to find out the area of a rectangular plot. सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे? Area of a rectangular plot. तो this is our first part. ये इस question में you have two parts. So in the first part you will find out the area of the rectangle, and in the second part you will find out the cost of leveling the rectangular part. So I will start my solution from the area of the plot, or you can say that rectangular plot. The formula is L multiplied by B. So L multiplied by B means 30 meter multiplied by 20 meter, and you will get 600 square meter is the area. Cost of 1 square meter is ₹2. It is given. This is given to you. Cost of 1 square meter, 1 स्क्वायर मीटर प्लॉट को लेवल करने का जो कॉस्ट है वो आता है ₹2. हमें कितना निकालना है? पूरा जो प्लॉट है वो कितना है? 600 स्क्वायर मीटर. If the cost of 1 square meter is ₹2, then what will be the cost of our area? It means 600 square meter. You will multiply 600 multiplied by 2, and your answer is ₹1200 is the cost of leveling the rectangular park.